let me show you how to make the best brisket stroganoff.
Y'all remember that beautiful brisket that we had back in Christmas? We're fixing to cut it down, we're fixing to shred it up, and we're gonna put it right in that stroganoff. Took a few minutes, got the big bowl out, got it all done up. Want to keep it in good sized bites like this. Didn't want to get it too stringy like a barbecue sandwich. Okay, that way it all holds together real good when we make stroganoff and everything. We're going to heat this up in the pan. We're just going to get it just hot enough. We're not going to cook it, just hot enough to get the fat. Go ahead and make it start loosening up and everything. That way when I cook mushrooms to put in here too, I can put the mushrooms directly in with the butter, and with this brisket fat and everything that's already going to be in the pan, it's going to make it so much better. My fat kid happy horse gonna be happy. And don't forget to pay for your cleanup crew. You didn't know I was that good with onions, did you? And the ingredients for tonight's recipe are as follows. We have ourselves about 2.5 pounds of smoked brisket that came back from Christmas. We have 1 whole wife repellent, aka onion. We're gonna have some vampire repellent, not so much fun mushrooms, egg noodles, cream mushroom soup, and butter. Okay, let's get this going. Now, we're not gonna technically cook brisket because it is already cooked. We're simply getting it warmed up to release that juice that got left and everything from it from the previous go around. And we're gonna let some of that fat melt off of it as well. That way it can be used with the shrooms and the onions. This is gonna be fabulous. We're gonna just give this a few minutes. Alright. Sorry about that. Let's get it out. Onions and shrooms. And butter. Let's throw in a little bit of salt. That way, as the shrooms start soaking up everything in here and re-releasing itself back out, that salt will go ahead and get into them. Get that flavor started. Time for a little bit of garlic. That's all cooked down real well. Let it run for just a minute until it is fragrant. Okay. Let's get all this fun mixture over in here too now. Because the next stop is going to be getting sauce ready and getting the noodles going. All right, we went on ahead, we cut the heat down on the pan to medium. I'm probably gonna cut it down a little bit further now that all that's out. Go ahead and get this cream soup loosened up. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna grab some milk out of the fridge as well. First thing is gonna be a question is, why in the world are you doing the sauce in the pan like this? Well, that's easy. It's because all the good stuff is already in the pan. Now, I don't want to make a separate boiler or anything in order to heat sauces and stuff up and make it separate and everything. I like putting it all in here and doing it all at once. Now, the fun stuff. That's salt. That red right there, that is Thunder and Longhorn. That's what was on the brisket. And we got ourselves a little bit of thyme to go with it. That Thunder and Longhorn's got a whole lot of rubs and stuff already in it anyway, so it's gonna bring that flavor right there to it. And it's gonna make it real good and lovely. Now, got the water over yonder, got it on high, waiting on it to start boiling. And here in a minute, when this gets up going, we're gonna put all that back over in here. All that fun stuff is going back over in here. Now that we got it up hot enough, salted like the ocean. Set it back in for just a minute. Quick test. That's gonna be good here in a few minutes. Time to get them going. Okay, real quick. These egg noodles, they're just about done, 100%. So what we're going to do is, without getting any extra noodle in there right now at the moment, we're going to get about 2 ladles. We're going to put in our sauce over here. Now, another thing that's just going to break it all up. Something's not going to jive right. Well, that saltiness go over here will help intensify this flavor, but also that starchy water from the noodles right there will help get it back going and get it all back together again and make it real nice and creamy. And also, that's a really easy way to double up your sauce. All right, we are done. Let's put all this fun stuff together. Okay, sauce is ready. All that fun stuff goes right back in here. Got to get those last couple things out. Come on. There we go. There we go. That's a way better angle this time. Now, let's switch. Get out the wooden one. Now that we got it all mixed up and everything looking real good, it's time for the taste test. Okay then. Got us go ahead and got us a little bit going on right there. Let's kind of find out how good this is really going to be. Come on, baby. There you go. Gotta get some of that brisket going on right there. I don't know what I'm talking about. Hang on. I gotta get another bite. I'll talk to y'all in a minute. That's it. That's money. We don't need nothing else. Let's go ahead and just end the video right here because I'm getting hungry and this is good. So, hey, we did something with the leftover brisket from Christmas. This makes an awesome leftover idea, especially for the day after Super Bowl or something. Because you gotta, just in case you actually do have leftovers, this is gonna make the list from now on. So, thanks for stopping by. Hope y'all enjoyed watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, good eating. Peace.